grade 3 students. Once again, this is Teacher Ray, your math English teacher, and welcome again to our online class. Before we proceed with our lesson, let's review first the lesson that we had last time. I want you to look at this number line. Okay, so this number line starts from 100 and ends in 200. Okay, so what do you think is the number missing? What number is in between 100 and 150? Okay, very good. It is 125. How about 150 and 200? All right, very good. It's 175. Okay, so we have 100, 125, 150, 175, and 200. So let's keep counting. We used with this number line, we use keep counting by 25. Okay, so now our lesson for today, it's all about counting forwards and backwards by tens and hundreds. Before we proceed, let's learn these vocabulary words. We have forward. Forward means we're counting on, okay? So we're going to count on. And the second one is backward. Again, backward. So backward means counting back. Okay, so I want you to look at this number line. So this number line starts from 100 and it ends with 400. Okay, so now what do you think, what number is showing on this picture? So this arrow is pointing to what number? 150. Why 150? Because we have here 110, 120, 130, 140, and 150. How about this arrow? What number does it show? It shows here, so from 200 plus 10, it's 210, 220, 230, and 240. So how about the next arrow? So we have 300, 310, 320, and 330. Okay, so the number that is showing here, so we have skip counting by 10. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So that's 300. How about here? What skip counting we're going to use? So we have 100, 200, 300, 400. So we're going to use skip counting by 100. All right, so look at this picture. So we're going to count on in steps of 10. So we're going to count forward. So what number is after 360? So 360 plus 10, so that's 370. Next, plus 10, very good, so that's 380. So 380 plus 10, so that's 390. 390 plus 10, so that's 400. Okay, very good. Next, so we have here 370, 380, 390, and 400. So we're going to locate these numbers into the number line. So where are we going to put 360? So it's here 300. So we're going to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is where we're going to put 360. How about 370? So it should be here. How about 380? So it should be here. And 390, here, and 400. Okay, very good. For example, so what are we going to do here is we're going to count back in steps of 10. So the number that you can see here is 235. So what are we going to do next is we're going to count backward by 10. Okay, so 235 minus 10 is, very good, it is 225. Next, minus 10 is 215. Good. Next, we have 205 and 195. Very good. So we're going to locate this number on the number line. So we have 235, 225, 215, 205, and 195. So we're going to locate these numbers to the number line. So we're going to put 235. So 235 is here. Okay, so that's 235. Next here is 225. Next here is 215, 205, and 195. Okay, on your book on page 14, we have here step up, count on in steps of 10. Write the numbers you say. Okay, so we have here letter A. 130 plus 10 is 140. Next, 150. Next, 160 and 170. Very good. How about letter B? 380 plus 10 is 390. Very good. Plus 10, 400. Plus 10, 410, and very good, 420. Next, letter C, we have here 245. 245, count on in steps of 10. It's very good, 255. Next, 265. Very good, 275 and 285. Very good, kids. Next, letter D, 165 plus 10. Very good, 175. Next, 185, 195, and 205. Very good. Now, for your assignment, open your math book on page 15. Okay, so number 2, count back in steps of 10. Write the numbers you say. So we're going to count backwards. So 360, it's 350. Very good. Number 3. Okay, so that's 340. Next, we have 330. And what's the last number? 320. So for letter B and letter C and letter D, answer it in your own. Okay. Now for number 3, count on in steps of 100. Write the numbers you say. So we have here 270. 270 plus 100, that's 370. Very good, kids. For number 4, count back in steps of 100. Write the numbers you say. So we're going to count back by 100. So 840 minus 100 is 740. Very good. Now, for step ahead, write the number that the frog will land on. Okay, so letter A, we have here 180 plus 40 is 220. Okay, so that's it for today, kids. Once again, this is Teacher Ray. See you again in our next video. Bye-bye.